I took speed, and those videos are so beautiful, and I revised the notes a couple of times, and that is more than enough for the CTVS part. So I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
So I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members of Speed Medical Institute to Dr. Sanketh Edem for scoring a topmost rank number 3 in AML and CML in Super Speciality of MCH Cardio, Thoracic and Vascular Surgery in INISS session April 2024. Congratulations to Doctor.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank
Doctor,
you, sir.
Great. Can we know a brief background from where you started your career till date? What all you have done?
Yes, sir. I'm from Hyderabad, sir, and I've done my MBBS from Medicity Institute of Medical Sciences, Hyderabad. I did my MS General Surgery from MCH, sir.
Great. Why cardiothoracic surgery?
So this is something that I always wanted to do. There was no other option. This is the one thing that I always wanted to do. People in my life who've been there for the past 10, 15 years, everyone knows it. Even my parents. I joined MBBS to do CTVS. I took MS General Surgery to do CTVS. So this was the only thing I always wanted to do, and finally, I think after 9 years, I get to do what I actually wanted to do.
So the decision to do CTVS will start even before starting MBBS.
Yes, sir.
That's how all CTVS surgeons are. So very nice. So then, once you decided to become a CTVS surgeon from MS General Surgery, then what all you did to achieve this topmost rank?
Sir, it was very clear to me since my MBBS days only. I wanted to do CTVS, and then that's why I got into general surgery. And initially, I thought it was something I really liked. But then once I started assisting in cases in CTVS, that is when I realized this is what I had to do. There was no other option. And I think once you start assisting in the cases, that is when you get your real clarity. It's not just infatuation anymore. You're there, and it really helps you build that confidence, knowing that even you can do it. That is when I actually realized this was meant for me when I started assisting in CTVS cases.
Okay. Then how did you prepare? What are your preparation strategy? What all you did to achieve it?
Sir, I think I texted you 2 months before the exam, sir, 1.5, 2 months before. To be completely honest, I didn't think you will reply because I really didn't think you'd reply, but then you got back to me in a couple of minutes. You told me what to do. And then I took speed. And since then, I only watched Arun Kumar sir's videos. And that is more than enough. That is more than enough. Arun Kumar sir is an absolute legend. Those videos are so beautiful. And yeah, so I think that is what I did. For 1 month, I did Arun Kumar sir's videos and then read the notes. I revised the notes a couple of times, and that is more than enough for the CTVS part.
Yes. So he does a comprehensive coverage of everything that is required, not only for entrance, even after a lot of students who study this for exit also. MCH exit, a lot of students prepare for that as well.
Yes, it was very comprehensive. So I think out of the 50 to 55 questions they've asked, I think 50 to 53 questions were 100. Like I knew it in the exam hall only that they were correct, because the way sir teaches it and the type of questions they ask, you'll know the answer in the exam hall for sure. It's not between two options. You know that is the option for sure.
Very, very nice to hear from you. And you'll be happy by looking at the video. I'll inform him also. You'll also be very happy hearing from you. So now what is the next plan? I mean, where are you planning to join now?
Sir, I'm planning to join PGI, sir.
PGI?
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Now, what will be your advice for juniors for aspiring for MCH cardiothoracic and vascular surgery?
Sir, my advice would be that first thing, I was really concerned about the type of questions they'll ask. I always thought they'll ask something very fancy, something out of the box, but that is not going to happen. They'll ask you something that is very basic, very simple, but you should know the basics. The basics should be very strong. You don't have to know something very fancy. And one mistake that I did during my preparation was, I was very worried about vascular surgery part, and I ended up watching all the videos, and I did a lot of questions of vascular surgery also. So I think I wasted around 1 week there. I don't think I wasted it. I've learned a lot from there, but I don't think they're going to ask you a lot of questions from that part. I think Arun Kumar sir's videos is more than enough. It is more than enough to get at least out of the 55 questions they ask, you'll get 50 correct for sure.
What is your general surgery preparation? What did you prepare or didn't prepare?
So general surgery, actually, I gave my exam in December only last year. So I was very well versed with Bailey. So I didn't really study a lot for general surgery. And I didn't have the time. I only had around 1.5 months. So I didn't really have the time to prepare for general surgery properly. But my basics were very good. And most of the questions were clinical based questions. So I don't think it helped me a lot. So my clinical practice, all these 3 years, it really helped.
Doctor, Man, time to thank. Whom all you want to thank, you can use this platform to thank. Who have built you.
First, I would really like to thank my parents, my amazing sister, my entire family, and my amazing friends, without whom I don't think I would have come this far. And I'm really grateful to Arun Kumar sir and you also, sir, because I don't think the CEO of any institute will reply to you in a couple of minutes. That is something that is really commendable, sir. That is really, we really appreciate it, because I didn't really believe it when people told me, but you actually got back to me with those video messages, not just once, 2, 3 times. So I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Doctor. We once again wish you a great career ahead. As king of surgeons, cardiothoracic surgeons always believe, and they are the king of surgery. And
thank you, sir.
It's a field. It's a great and unique field, because the maximum amount of a thrill and adrenaline gush can come only in this part of surgical specialty.
Yeah.
You are in right now. And for a great career, as you started and stepped into a great life, and you will become a legend.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
And years to come, I'm going to look upon to you. I wish you all
Thank
the
you,
best.
sir. Thank you, sir.
All the
Thank
best.
you, sir.
All the best and all the success.
Thank you, sir.
For a great career.
Thank you so much.
Best wishes to you.
Thank you, sir.